Hey guys, it's Brittany here with 3 Doors. Wanted to tell you about my newest project at 5918 Michigan. So come in and check it out. All right guys, now that we're inside, we're here in the living room. As you can see, we've got beautiful hardwood floors, crown molding throughout, an awesome gray paint, and we left that beautiful historic fireplace to give you that South City charm you're looking for. As you see the open floor plan in the dining room, which is off of the half bath and the kitchen, we've got the great cutaway steps to get up to the second floor where all the bedrooms and another bath is. All right, now we're here in the kitchen. We've got beautiful stainless appliances. We've got awesome granite with our shaker style cabinets that are gray. And we've got a beautiful white subway tile backsplash. And then as you get around, we have an awesome back porch deck for that perfect barbecue and entertaining. And from the deck, we have a beautiful backyard with 2 great big trees, adding some shade, a driveway that you could park a couple cars on, and an awesome privacy fence. All right guys, now that we're upstairs, let's check out this master bedroom. As you can see, we've got 2 closets for his and her. We've got new paint, crown molding, and we've got 2 large windows, perfect for that sunshine. Here we are in the second floor bathroom, completely gutted. You've got new fixtures throughout, tile surround, glass block window, and then we have a granite vanity with tons of storage inside of it. Here we are in the second bedroom, completely updated with tons of closet space and large windows for all that natural light. Thanks so much for coming on tour with me today at 5918 Michigan. And if you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call at 314-540-7975. Thanks and have a great day.